Hello guys. So guess what I got today? I got a new pole station. It's a Notifier BG12. So let me get this out. Wow, this is a cool pole station. Here's the instructions. And here's the key. So when you pull, this is like the ones in my high school. Alright, it's pushing, pull down, and if you pull it says activated. Alright, reset it. Hold on. There we go. I got it. It has the switch, and it's an adjustable system. Then you can pull it again. Hold on, let me pause. Yep. Yep, you just have to pull it hard to open it. Alright, thank you for watching.